Welcome to Studio 3 Design Ideas, your go-to channel for the latest in architectural and interior design inspiration. Whether you're looking to transform your home or just love exploring creative spaces, we've got you covered with cutting-edge ideas and modern solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for regular updates on stunning designs and innovative concepts. Single-story front elevation design. Key concepts and ideas for an impressive home exterior. The front elevation of a single-story domestic is the #1 element of its outdoors that defines the overall scaled-down enchantment and makes a first impression on site visitors. While single-story houses generally tend to have easier shape as compared to multi-story buildings, the design of the front elevation can still be striking and complicated, reflecting both the persona of the homeowner and the architectural fashion of the house. From materials and color picks to architectural info and landscaping, every element plays a vital function inside the universal appearance of the front elevation. In this text, we'll explore critical principles and ideas for creating a visually appealing and functional single-story front elevation design. By that, specialize in stability, share substances, coloration schemes, and key layout factors. You could create a facade that enhances your own home's aesthetic price and makes a long-lasting effect. 1. Importance of front elevation design. The front elevation is the architectural illustration of the front view of the house, and it's essential for multiple motives. Curb appeal. The front elevation is the maximum visible part of your house from the road, so it notably affects its minimized enchantment. A well-designed front elevation can increase the asset's fee and attract potential consumers. Reflect style. Whether your property is modern, present-day, traditional, or minimalist, the front elevation is where the architectural fashion will become obtrusive. Design alternatives, which includes roof type, windows, doors, and substances, all contribute to the house's overall person. Functionality. Beyond aesthetics, the front elevation additionally serves useful purposes, including ensuring right airflow, mild flow, and electricity performance. With these factors in thoughts, let's dive deeper into some key elements to don't forget whilst designing a single-story the front elevation. 2. Architectural styles for single-story front elevations. One of the maximum crucial steps in designing the front elevation is selecting the architectural fashion that suits your taste and complements the environment. A modern architecture. Modern front elevation's attention on simplicity, clean lines, and a minimalist technique. In single-story homes, this frequently includes flat or low-sloped roofs, huge glass home windows, and a neutral color palette. Flat roofs. Flat or barely sloped roofs are not unusual in current designs. Growing a streamlined look, they make a contribution to a graceful, uncluttered appearance that is a trademark of cutting-edge architecture. Expansive windows. Floor-to-ceiling home windows or huge glass panels allow for natural light to flood the indoors, whilst creating a continuing connection between the interior and exterior. Minimal detailing. Modern designs generally tend to avoid overly ornamental elements, opting for a smooth and purposeful appearance with minimum gildings. B. Contemporary style. Contemporary designs combination present-day aesthetics with greater flexibility in phrases of shapes and bureaucracy. The front elevation of a cutting-edge single-story domestic can also feature asymmetrical elements, blended substances, and ambitious shade accents. Contrasting materials. Combining materials including stone, wood, and steel can add texture and interest to the front elevation. For example, a stone-clad wall next to timber siding creates visible comparison and depth. Geometric forms. Contemporary designs regularly comprise geometric shapes and unconventional forms. This may imply playing with the proportions of windows, doors, and roof lines to create an eye-catching design. See traditional and colonial style. Traditional and colonial style, the front elevations focus on symmetry, classical elements, and an extra formal look. While these homes tend to be more conservative in their design, they can still be fashionable and timeless. Pitched roofs. Steep, Pitched roofs with gables are common in traditional designs. These roof lines not only contribute to the aesthetics, but also provide practical benefits, such as water drainage. Brick and stone. Traditional homes often use natural materials like brick and stone to convey a sense of permanence and stability. These materials also provide excellent insulation and durability. Symmetry. One of the defining features of traditional architecture is symmetry, often reflected in the arrangement of windows, doors, and roof lines. Mediterranean or Spanish Revival. Mediterranean-style single-story homes often feature stucco walls, terracotta roof tiles, and arches, giving them a warm and inviting look. These designs are perfect for warm climates and can be adapted to a variety of settings. Terracotta roof tiles. The signature curved tiles on a roof give Mediterranean homes a distinctive appearance, while also offering practical benefits like heat resistance. Arches and columns. Arched doorways, windows, and entryways create a sense of grandeur and elegance typical of Mediterranean designs. Stucco walls. Stucco is the primary material used in Mediterranean homes, offering a smooth, clean finish that complements the curved shapes and terracotta roof. 3 key elements of single-story front elevation design. Once you have chosen an architectural style, you can start focusing on the individual elements that will define the look of your front elevation. A. Roof design. The roof is one of the most prominent features in a single-story home's front elevation. Whether it's flat, pitched, or sloped, the design of the roof should complement the overall architectural style. Flat roofs. Common in modern and contemporary designs, flat roofs offer a minimalist and sleek look. They are often paired with large windows and clean lines for a cohesive design. Pitched roofs. Pitched or gabled roofs are ideal for traditional or colonial-style homes. These roofs provide a sense of height and can be accented with dormer windows for added interest. Mixed roof lines. For a more dynamic appearance, consider combining different roof shapes, such as a flat section over the garage with a pitched section over the main living area. B. Windows and doors. Windows and doors are key design features that can greatly influence the overall look of your front elevation. Large windows. Modern homes often feature large, uninterrupted windows that allow for maximum natural light and views. These